Hi, welcome to Unicorns and Purple Squirrels, powered by Higher Incentive. Today we're sharing the Ultimate Careers Page Guide, your step-by-step playbook to attracting, engaging, and hiring top talent. If your careers page isn't bringing in the right candidates, it's time for an upgrade. We're breaking down exactly what to include, backed by research and best practices, so you can create a high-impact careers page that converts. Let's get started. Your company's career page is more than a job board. It's a window into your organization, culture, and values. A well-crafted careers page helps attract top talent, increasing engagement and improving retention. In this video, we'll cover every essential component that belongs on a careers page. Employee value proposition. A strong careers page starts with a clear and compelling EVP. This explains why someone should work for your company and what they'll gain in return. Your EVP should highlight your mission, vision, and values, what drives your company forward, what makes your workplace unique, collaboration, innovation, work-life balance, career growth opportunities, how employees can advance, flexibility and perks, hybrid work, wellness benefits, and more. Why this matters? A study by LinkedIn found that companies with a well-defined EVP can reduce turnover by 69% and increase new hire commitment by 29%. A strong EVP makes your careers page stand out and compels top candidates to apply. Also, consider featuring a short video with leadership and employees sharing why they love working at your company. A message from the CEO and President. Consider adding a brief introduction video from the CEO or President. Something like, "Hi, I'm Tracy, and I want to personally welcome you to Higher Incentive. We believe that people are the heart of our business. That's why we're committed to providing an environment where you can grow, thrive, and make an impact. Whether you're just starting your career or bringing years of experience, we want you to feel valued, supported, and excited about the opportunities ahead. Our mission is XYZ, and we're always looking for talented, driven individuals who share our passion. I encourage you to explore this page, learn more about our culture, and see why Higher Incentive is the right place for your next career move. We can't wait to meet you." Why this matters? According to a survey by Glassdoor, 75% of job seekers say a company's leadership plays a crucial role in their decision to apply. A message from the CEO increases transparency about company values, builds trust by showing leadership engagement, and creates an emotional connection with candidates before they even apply. Comprehensive benefits overview. Top talent expects transparency and benefits. Candidates want to know health and wellness, medical, dental, vision, and mental health support, financial perks, retirement plans, stock options, bonuses, any details you have on matching, waiting periods, etc. Work-life balance, paid time off, parental leave, flexible schedules, unique perks, tuition reimbursement, pet-friendly offices, wellness stipends. Why this matters? A report by the Society for Human Resources Management found that 60% of employees consider benefits a major factor in their decision to accept a job offer. Providing a detailed benefits section along with employee testimonials on how these benefits impact their lives can make a big difference in attracting top candidates. Workplace environment, remote, hybrid, or in person. Candidates want clarity on where and how they'll work. Your careers page should specify if roles are remote, hybrid, or on-site. What flexibility is available, flex hours, compressed work weeks, etc. Office location details with photos or virtual office tours. Companies that clearly define work arrangements attract 40% more qualified applicants compared to those that don't. Why this matters? A report by Harvard Business Review found that clarity on workplace flexibility boosts job applications by 40% and reduces early turnover. Companies that clearly define work arrangements attract 40% more qualified candidates compared to those that don't. Candidates don't want to guess. Be upfront about work arrangements. Company culture. Show, don't just tell. Culture is a huge factor in a candidate's decision. Your careers page should bring your culture to life with employee spotlights and testimonials, short videos or quotes from real employees, photos and videos from team building events, volunteering, and celebrations, day in the life stories showcasing different roles. According to LinkedIn, employees who feel connected to their company's culture are 3 times more likely to stay long term. Thank you for watching part 1 of 2 series, The Ultimate Careers Page Guide. Coming soon, part 2 will include inclusive and merit-based hiring, employee testimonials and success stories, career growth and learning opportunities, open positions and user-friendly application process, legal information and compliance, along with some extra bonus tips. If you're looking for expert guidance in hiring, talent acquisition, or human resources, visit our website at hireincentive.com and make sure to follow us on LinkedIn. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay informed on the latest HR trends and strategies. See you next time at Unicorns and Purple Squirrels.